Samsung has finally done it, and this time they've shocked the entire tech world. After years of rumors, leaks, and endless speculation, the very first official look at the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is here. Yes, a real trifolding smartphone. Not a concept, not a rumor, an actual device shown publicly for the first time. Samsung showcased this groundbreaking phone just days before the APEC 2025 summit in South Korea. And make no mistake, this isn't just another gadget reveal. This moment marks a major turning point in smartphone history. And it proves once again that Samsung isn't just part of the future, they're building it. At the K-Tech showcase inside the Gwangju Expo Park Air Dome, Samsung quietly unveiled the Galaxy Z TriFold under a secure glass display. No hands-on experience yet. But the world finally got its first real life. Look at the most futuristic smartphone ever created. So what makes this device so special? According to photos taken at the event, the Galaxy Z TriFold can switch from a compact 6.5-inch smartphone into a massive 10-inch tablet with just a few smooth folds. Thanks to its dual-hinge design, it folds not once but twice, unlocking a level of flexibility and screen power we've never seen before in a consumer phone. Leaked images shared by tipsters show a sleek, ultra-modern design that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Samsung confirmed that this device represents years of engineering and AI-powered innovation. They stated that this TriFold smartphone is part of their mission to drive next-generation form factors for the mobile AI era. And here's the exciting part. Samsung says the Galaxy Z TriFold is coming to consumers this year. Reports suggest the official launch may happen within days, with sales starting as early as next month in select regions like South Korea and China, followed by global expansion soon after. But this launch isn't just about introducing a new phone. It's a bold message to rivals, especially Apple. While Apple continues to play it safe, perfecting the traditional smartphone, Samsung is once again stepping into territory others are afraid to explore. Apple still doesn't have a foldable iPhone, let alone a TriFold device, and Samsung already has 7 generations of foldables under its belt. Millions of users waited for Apple to release a foldable iPhone, and many finally switched to Samsung after seeing how advanced the Galaxy Z Fold lineup has become. With this TriFold device, Samsung is taking innovation to an entirely different level, showing the world that they lead, not follow, in smartphone evolution. Think about Samsung's year so far. They introduced the stunning ultra-slim Galaxy S25 Edge, launched the world's thinnest foldable phone, revealed new XR devices like smart glasses and mixed reality headsets, and now, the first commercial TriFold smartphone. Samsung isn't waiting for the future, they're delivering it early. Subscribe to the channel